Why is this beautiful tiny island in the Philippines named after a Japanese? Decades ago, a group of scuba divers went for a diving exploration in the waters of El Nido, Palawan. A diver was declared missing in one of their deep-sea cave tunnel dives. Search and rescue operations were conducted for days for the missing diver, until the body was found on this tiny rocky island. The last name of the diver is Shimizu, a Japanese national. Tour guides and boatmen have different versions of the story. Some say that the diver is a woman, while others say it's a man. But one thing is for sure, the island was named in memory of his or her loss. Today, the island is one of the most visited off the coast of El Nido, Palawan. Shimizu Island is located in Bacuit Bay, near Miniloc Island. It has a white sand beach, towering limestone cliffs, and clear turquoise waters, perfect for snorkeling. There is a small cave on the island, and the mainstay residents are the monitor lizards. Harmless to tourists, as they typically shy away at the sight of the island visitors. To reach this island from Manila, you can choose to fly from Manila to Puerto Princesa, or the most convenient option is to fly directly from Manila to Leo Airport in El Nido, Palawan. AirSwift Airlines is the only airline that services this route. The travel time is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Plane ticket prices vary depending on the season and time of year. There are 4 daily flights from Manila. Once you reach Leo Airport, El Nido town proper is just another 30 minutes by land transfer. Van transfer is the most convenient compared to a bus. It will cost around 1,200 to 1,500 pesos, or $23 to $30 per person. There are 4 types of island hopping tours in El Nido. Tours A, B, C, and D. Tour A is the most famous. It includes the Big and Small Lagoons, the Secret Lagoon, 7 Commando Beach, and Shimizu Island. Lastly, if you want to bear it all and swim in a secluded tropical island beach getaway, I have a bonus video in which I reveal the best beaches where you can visit. It is available for YouTube Premium members only, in which you can access it in my playlist. Be sure you are 18 years and above to see the video. Thank you.